Hello students and welcome to another science online class. This is video number 1 for the topic biochemistry and biomolecules. Let's have a recall about the functional groups of organic compounds. Based from the video from Mr. Christian Dave De Leon, he discussed the organic compounds or hydrocarbons, the basics of hydrocarbon topic. Now let's have a recall or a quick recall for each functional groups, which are considered as the main players of organic chemistry. First is alkane. Alkane is any of the series of saturated hydrocarbons, including methane, propane, and higher members. This one. Alkene, look at the double bond, is a hydrocarbon that contains a carbon-carbon double bond. Alkyne, it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. And benzene ring, example is phenyl, an organic compound with a molecular formula of C6H6. It is composed of 6 carbon atoms joined in a planar ring with one hydrogen atom attached to each. So may mga hydrogen dito ano, sa bawat corner. Now, in this part, we have amine. Amine are compounds and functional group that contain a basic nitrogen atom with a lone pair. They are derivatives of ammonia. Alcohol are organic compound that carries at least one hydroxyl functional group bound to a saturated carbon atom. We have primary alcohol, which is an ethanol used as a drug, and it is the main alcohol present in alcoholic beverages. Ether, here, is a class of organic compounds that contain an ether group which contain an oxygen atom connected to two alkyl or aryl groups. Here, alkyl halide or haloalkenes are a group of chemical compounds derived from alkanes containing one or more halogens. Thiol or thiol derivative is any organosulfur compound of the form RSH, where R represents an alkyl or other organic substituent, and SH functional group itself is referred to as either a thiol group or a sulhydryl group or a sulfanyl group. Aldehydes is a compound containing a functional group with a structure of CHO consisting of a carbonyl center with the carbon atom also bonded to hydrogen and to an R group that can be a generic alkyl or side chain. Ketone is a functional group with a structure of R2C double bond O, where R can be a variety of carbon-containing substituent. It contains a carbonyl group, which is a simplest ketone is acetone, with the formula of CH3COCH3. Ester is, is a chemical compound derived from an acid, which at least one OH group is replaced by an O alkyl group. It is usually derived from substitution reaction of a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. Last two, we have the carboxylic acid, an organic acid that contains a carboxyl group, C double bond O, OH, attached to an R group. The general formula of a carboxylic acid is R, single bond COOH, which are referring to the alkyl group. And last one is amide, an organic amide or carboxamide is a compound with a general formula RC double bond O and R and another R, where R represents organic groups or hydrogen atoms. It is also called a peptide bond when it is part of the main chain of the protein. Okay, so these are the functional groups which is essential in understanding hydrocarbons or organic compounds.